Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I do my soft glam makeup at home. It's super easy and also it's beginner friendly. I'm starting with the clean face, then I'll go in with my moisturizer to hydrate my skin, and this really helps the makeup to sit nicely. So I start with vitamin C. I'm using it for my black spots. Just use little amount.
The rising sun becomes my guide. A gentle breeze, I feel so
I'm trying to
free
avoid the
with
eyelash area
nature's
because I will
beauty
do
by
the
my
eyelashes,
side.
so I don't want it to be oily. And then I go in with the moisturizer that I use. I got it in Poland, and it's a goat milk, and it's really nice. It's light on the skin,
Morning
and also it
sun
hydrates really well.
ascends the hill. With every step the world grows wide. I climb
You see how my
above
skin looks? It's
fear's
really
reach
hydrated.
with nature.
For the skincare, I finished with the La Roche sunscreen, which is 50 plus, and that's it for my skincare. For the makeup, I use a spoolie to outline my eyebrows. I then go in with a brown eye pencil, which is number 3 Davis eye pencil.
The air is pure, a sweet delight. My worries fade with every stride. Lost in the vast and endless light, with nature's beauty by my side. With nature's beauty by my
I use a concealer on the lower part of my eyebrow to outline it, and it's in shade Fawn.
The winding path now calls to me. The rising sun becomes my guide. A gentle breeze, I feel so free with nature's beauty by my side. The morning sun ascends the hill. With every step the world grows wide.
On the upper part of the eyebrow, I use the normal foundation that matches my skin tone to outline it.
With nature's beauty by my side. lost in the vast and endless light.
For the eyelashes, I like using the cluster lashes because I find it easy to apply them. After I'm done doing my eyebrows and also the eyelashes, I go in with a primer, and the primer that I use is the Zaron primer, and it smoothens everything out and also helps my makeup last longer.
Calls to me, the rising sun becomes my guide.
This is the foundation that I use. It's from Zaron Cosmetics, and I like to blend it slowly so it looks more natural and not too heavy.
Nature's beauty by my side. The morning sun ascends the hill. With every step the world grows wide. I climb above and feel a chill, with nature's beauty by my side.
I then had some concealer under my eyes to brighten up my face a bit, and also on my forehead and chin.
The winding path now calls to me. The rising sun becomes my guide. A gentle breeze, I feel so free.
I also go in with a loose powder.
Beauty by my side. The morning sun
For the finishing powder, I use the Illegal Pro Face.
with every I climb above and feel a chill, with nature's beauty by my side.
I love adding some blush because it just makes the face look fresh and also alive. Then for the lipstick, I'll use the two shades and blend them in.
My worries fade with every stride, lost in the vast and endless light, with nature's beauty by my side.
I then contour my nose.
With nature's beauty by my side.
I then use the Maybelline setting spray to set everything lightly so it stays in place all day. And this is the final look, super soft, simple and perfect for every day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!
Calls to me. The rising sun becomes my guide. A gentle breeze I feel.